Nate here at Dry Dock Marine Center. Today we're discussing this pre-owned 2018 Nautique GS22 in Voltaic Yellow. Gorgeous boat. I think one of the prettiest boats we've ever done here. Boatmate trailer with spare tire. The coolest thing is, and I don't know if we'll be able to see it, you've got black, and then this detail here is a metallic black, so it's almost ghosted in there with the decal. It's very, very cool. When this thing sits out on the water, it is a gorgeous boat. Nice big swim platform here in the rear. Nautique stereo control here at the back. These rear-facing seats, which are really nice at the sandbar. As we move up into the boat, one of the things that makes Nautique so nice is these transom steps that easily go up in through the boat. A lot of other manufacturers got a really big step to get up into the boat for your first step off the swim platform. And as you can see, this interior is bold, also Voltaic Yellow. That was new as an option for 2018 when this boat was brand new. And it is beautiful. Gray sea deck throughout. Removable seat here, so you don't have to step on it, but you can put it back in there for more butt spots. 2 JL77 speakers on the tower, along with our Bimini top with surf straps for holding your surfboard up there. Swivel board racks on both sides. Capacity for 15 people in this 22-footer. The Link pan array display screen and quick dial makes it super easy to access all the functions of this boat. Keyless start. Cell phone holder and plug holder as a reminder. Put that back in each time. Nice, enormous glove box and storage up under all these seats. One of the cool things on these GS models is this is a flat bench that goes all the way around, but it also pops up as a rear observer seat and allows you to check out your rider back there. You've got a removable rear observer back on this side, on the starboard side. Premium oversized mirror. Be sure to keep all our riders safe back there. Nice big bow area here, again in that Voltaic Yellow. If you have any questions about this Nautique or any other boat here at Dry Dock Marine Center, be sure and give us a call.